Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day and a great weekend. Well, today is part 2 of my review for the VIPCrossStitch store. And we're going to start with the one right on top. Got to move things out of the freeway here. Ugh. Yeah, this next one is quite busy. Hang on. Right. Sorry about that. All right. Let's get this little puppy out of its baggie here. It is a Joy Sunday. All right. Does come in the lovely Joy Sunday bag with all the instructions printed on it. These are not waterproof. They do have a hole here so that air can flow around the canvas and around the needles so humidity does not get to the needles. And that's cute. I just love it. It's so quaint. It says Mouse's Garden Adventure. Aren't they adorbs? Yeah, there's going to be some back stitching. But seriously, yeah, love it. 22 by 20. And it was $3.76. Isn't it adorable? Shouldn't take too long. It is a partial. And everything's on one page. Let's see. We have 2 sets of numbers again. And it's 96 by 85. So you can see the canvas here. It's very small, but very nice. This top set goes with the paper pattern. The bottom set goes with the canvas. So let's see. We have 24 colors total. We have 22 in full stitch. We have 4 in quarter stitch, 1 in French knot, and 2 in back stitch. So that back stitching is not that bad. Let's see what colors we have. No 310. Nothing that I've ever heard of except for B5200. So looks like nice springy type colors. No 550 purple. Very nice. I don't know where those quarter cross stitches are going to go. It's all on one page. There's a French knot in the middle of these little tiny blue, it's easier to point it out here, in the tiny little blue flowers. There's only, what, total of 5 of them, and maybe, yep, on the watering can. I'm not seeing any place else, so those are doable. As long as I don't have to make 500 of them, we're good. Very nice. Very well printed. Very easy to see everything. You can use this as your pattern for the back stitching. So very nice. Let's take a look at those pastel-y colors, maybe. Very nice. Look at that green. Oh, I always loved seafoam green. Yeah. Pale blue, pale pink, pale yellow. We have some gold, some brown, B5200. And pastels again on this side. Maybe a little bit of dark green here for those leaves. But very nicely done. There's not a whole bunch of them because this is not a very big kit. It does come with 2 needles, before I forget, and on the thread card that shows you how many strands of each you're supposed to have. Let's take a look at that big canvas. Oh my goodness. Back stitching is definitely going to make this picture. So you would do all your cross stitch first and then do the back stitching and your French knots. Very, very nice. But this is kind of tiny. It's the DMC numbers are not really legible here. So I guess that's why they give you this other, where I had to turn it the right way. This is the same thing that is printed down here, right here. But still, the paper pattern will not match the canvas for symbols. It has its own set. So, very nice. Let's measure this biggie. This is kind of the long and the short of it. You'll see what I mean here in a little bit. All right, so it is, almost 22 centimeters or 8.5 inches by, little under 8 inches or 20 centimeters. Actual picture size is a little over, about 6 inches or a little over 15 centimeters by 6 3/4 inches or a little bit over 17 centimeters. So not very big at all. It's just cute. It's adorable. I love these little ones. But it takes me a hot moment because I'm not real fast at 14 count. Okay, so this is what I meant by the long and the short of it. So you got this one, and then, yeah, Lora did it again. So this will be going in a giveaway. Are you ready? Are you ready? I gotta make sure it's right side up. Ta-da! Yep, I got it twice. 68 by 90 centimeters. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. I love all the threads. Just very well packaged. This box made it here a lot better than the last one. Oh, the last box, there was nothing wrong with the kit inside. Don't get me wrong. It was just the box was kind of looked like it had been through a war. So we'll open it up. Make sure everything's here. It does, whoops, I'm so sorry. It comes with a paper on how to do it, how to start, how to finish. Same thing printed on both sides. I'm just going to put that right back here. And we're going to just lift all this out. We're going to leave that there and leave the box. Holy cow. We're going to put it right there. So, it is 250 by 352 stitches. It has a 9-page booklet that goes with it. The only thing I have an issue with, and this one also comes with the black. The picture on the site has black in the background. Nope. Yeah, in the background. And hang on. I'm trying to get the box. And this is the way it presents on the box. I have no idea what happened. Yeah, I don't understand. I don't get it. So, lovely booklet. And this has 65 colors in it. Very wide array of colors. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. It's going to have some confetti in it. Not going to lie. It does have the canvas symbols and the symbol on the paper pattern. So paper pattern and canvas won't match for symbols, but it very nicely printed, very easy to see. It's just stunning, just stunning. Let's see here. It does come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5, we'll call it, little skeins of 310 black that you can use for the background. Let's take a look at those colors. Aren't they yummy? Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. Just look at that blue. That's really blue. It gets me every time. We have greens. We have blues. We have reds in like a burnt red. Like that's a reddish orange burnt color, if you will. It's not brick like this. This is more brick. This has got more orange in it. But look at those greens and pinks. Just very vibrant, beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Just stunning. Just absolutely stunning. So, look for this in a giveaway. Maybe I'll have a special giveaway. I'm not sure when, but yeah. But look at all of those beautiful, beautiful colors. And I will ship all over the world. So everybody is eligible. I'll let you know when, I don't know where you came from. Oh, you belong to that bunch. We're just going to put you right back in there. Just beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I'm going to put them right in the middle. Trying to get everybody together here. I was like, what happened to the canvas? Hello. Canvas is right here. Comes bagged. And get it out of there. Nice white Ada. Does have a serged edge along the bottom there. But being an 11 count, it is very, very easy to see. Does have Spring Company, their 100th anniversary. And let's see, that's the product number. This is how big it is, but very nicely printed, plain. Hang on, it's just a bit wide. Very easy to see symbols. The only thing about this is it's large. Yeah, but it's very nicely done, very well printed. So yeah, it's going to take a hot moment, and you could definitely put all this in here, you know, all the printed part, and just leave it white if you wanted to. But I think that that black just absolutely makes this pop. Nice big key. It is serged all the way around, but nice, easy to read key and symbols. They always do such an awesome, awesome job. Just gorgeous. Very, very nice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm trying to figure out how this all goes back together, because I want to keep it nice, because I'm going to put it in a giveaway. Details to come. I'm trying to get it. Maybe. I don't know that I can, but we're going to give it the old college try. Oh, look at that. Just didn't want anything to happen to it. There we go. All right. Now, if VIP has any specials, or if I have a discount code, it'll be at the beginning of this video and also in the description box below. Now, VIPCrossStitch only does stitching things like, I think they also have punch needle, but don't quote me on that. They always have a wide variety of everything, but they do not have diamond painting or paint by number. And they have lots of tools and crafts, just all kinds of options. And they usually have really, really good prices. And I believe they're having a spring sale right now. So do check them out. Thank you, VIPCrossStitch, for the beautiful cross stitches kits that I got this week and last week. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.